What up?
Good morning, everybody.
How's it going? I'm short the Russell right now, actually.
Goodness gracious.
It
Hold on.
was it was the weakest market in this last these last hour or so.
We got a 100-point gap on the NQ. That looks nice. I got possible support right here at 755. Just below that, 735. If both of those decide to give up, probably be looking for downside. But if we do manage to get over 775, 795. Looking for an upside. Pretty much all time highs opening again, just like yesterday. Watch out, folks. The open being almost exactly like yesterday.
I'm
I
back.
hit T1 and I've got a runner on.
I like the short, bro. I actually have another 98.
Beautiful George. Beautiful, beautiful.
What was your area? Yeah, I have 82 to 84 as well.
I mean, honestly, I think the short could work up here. Hourly chart, like we've had almost three completely bullish. Well, yeah, I mean, I'll give it three. Three bullish closes. Coming into the fourth one right here, but we're starting to sell off in this fourth one, so oh no. Potential for downside, I guess, in the first 30 minutes of the open here. Could probably.
I've still got my runner on the Russell. I've got 2R locked in on the trade though.
Starting to see a little bull flag here on the NQ. Uh-oh. See what we get.
No bueno. No bueno.
Got to get through yesterday's high. Yesterday's high.
I'm out there. It's
I don't know.
3R.
That,
20-hour George.
that's one thing. Yeah, maybe like you said, maybe the short is not good, but I don't know. Taking it long in this area. Just wait it to go down a little bit if it goes down. You weren't taking a very aggressive entry.
Coming up into that trend line. Let's see if we get this bull flag break through 60.
But you never know. Maybe it could work. Maybe it can work. Maybe it can't. Like I don't know. I'm just stating the facts, or not the facts, or what's happening. Y no te dice Scam Likely en el teléfono.
$760, getting a pretty firm rejection off of that. Perhaps. Let's see. Let's see.
Dow is the strongest break into new highs right now.
Do you still have the short, Ross? George?
No, I got 3R. It came back and I had tightened up my I was getting pretty close to full target and it came back and got me 3. My full target was 5R. And it just hit it on this last push, but it came back to get me. I'm good though, I will take that.
See if we hold 735 on the NQ. Get a little bounce play per. See what we get. See what we got.
Thank you, starting to bleed. Yes, it's not moving though.
The ES is stuck. The Dow's going up and the Nasdaq is going down.
There we go, folks. Losing 35 here. Oh man.
Did you take your bear flag, James?
Nah. Had to step away for a second. Wish I did. That 937, 37 candle. Nice little. Whoop.
Right, I can't believe I didn't get filled because of 2 ticks. Fuck off.
Hourly candle is looking super bad right now. Super bad. I mean, like that entire body just got deleted. On the NQ, at least it did. I don't know what the ES is doing, but the NQ, like that whole body just got deleted.
God damn, I need to hold my trade better. Fuck.
Did the RTY just let go?
Jeez. I mean, it didn't.
Well, I mean, it was
it's,
close to your target though.
it didn't let go. It's been letting go. Yeah, but I put it a little.
That's why you're 20R George instead of 3. You could have got 9, man. I don't know.
Should have got my full 5.
Houdini entries, man.
It's at like freaking 8 now.
Yeah, I'm gonna cancel my order, bro. Shit's not coming. Fuck that.
Nostradamus entries.
No, the Russell's been weak for the last hour.
Damn.
The other markets were all
Yeah, that's
pushing
crazy. That's
higher.
like the opposite, man. That is crazy.
Do you take anything, James?
No, sir. I'm waiting to see if this 35 pans out as resistance, but this could just be a liquidity grab before moving higher.
Bro, if this goes from my zone to zone, I'm gonna be so mad.
Hmm. Getting a solid green candle on the footprint chart. That's interesting. Uh, this thing might reverse to the upside, and I'm not in it. Oh boy. Maybe we get a little move down to the VWAP. Not
Maybe
sure.
VWAP, but I don't know.
Can't call it yet. Looks like it's trying to reverse here though. I'll get. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. I'm giving it a shot short here through 30, but looks like they're still buying here. Up, up. Here we go. Roller coaster. Getting a little move. Little move skis. Nope. Buying it back up. Yup. Here it goes. Oh, brother. Now we're coming back down. Make up your mind, man. Make up your mind.
I feel like we have more room. I mean, on the ES, I don't know about the Nasdaq, but we have more room to the downside on the ES.
Yeah, Nasdaq, we're in a 15-minute demand zone, so it's like super sketchy here. Looks like it wants to sell off, but like it's super. It's super sketch. Like this, until we lose like 25, I'm not convinced. It's trying to let it go, but
Bro, this Russell is ridiculous.
I'm looking at the wrong one today. I should be trading the Russell. Is that what you're saying?
It's fucking a 10R move right now.
Good lord!
And I only got 3 out of it. That's frustrating.
Only 3R. And I am out there for break even. Wow, trash. Wow.
Were you long?
I was short right there. I don't know what I'm looking like. Looking at on the 5-minute chart, this kind of looks like an like an off-brand descending wedge. I don't know. Does not feel like bearish anymore though. I feel like we're about to squeeze up. Let me check this RTY real quick, see what's going on. Yeah, you should have held that shit. What the fuck? Dude, it never even came back up to it.
Never came back up to nothing.
Yeah, through a bar, man. Golly.
Fucking nothing.
But still, 3R is 3R is 3R. Wow. Nah, I'm watching like I have it open, but I'm watching the NQ right now. It's coming straight. I mean, it's just insane. Like, how much longer can this go on? The RTY is gonna be at like what, like 1100. NQ is gonna be at 25K. Like what? You know what I mean? Like, what are we doing right now? Like,
Hmm.
15-minute demand just held like a champ. Sheesh. You looking for a break and hold over 775 for entry long? I don't know.
No.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I hear you.
looking for 755 to hold on the Nas. See if we can't get another move up. Consolidation near the highs. Be nice to see. And that hourly candle that looked like trash 20 minutes ago is not looking so bad anymore. Like absolutely full on reversal.
Russell bear flagging.
Advanced decline is looking a little wrecked right now. Here we go. Right back down into the 15-minute demand. What do you know? $30 points in 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dirty, 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 dirty. Is it gonna completely reverse all the way back up from here? Doing the exact same thing we did 15 minutes ago.
Russell's just chopping the hair down.
Finally caught the bid.
What was the news? Or what is the news?
I think we got red folders at 10:30.
Uh,
We got Fed speakers at 11. Crude oil at 10:30. Wow. 5-minute Nasdaq just looks like that's 720. Holy crap, man. I think I'm gonna wait for the 10:30 news. I don't feel like trading this range, honestly, on the NQ. NQ is really not doing anything at all. Holding that 15-minute demand though. I wish I was a higher time frame trader.
sellers on the Russell are pretty fucking strong for this to have not squeezed up any.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
He's short here in Q. I'm gonna see if it can't get back down to the lows.
Mm.
Come on to the VWAP, baby.
Stub filled.
Thank you. Looks like it wants to reverse here. It's a little oversold. Coming right back through that 35. Absolute trash can of a day to trade the NQ, man. That's a fact.
So there's no volatility, no price action. Best trade today, no trade. Best trade today is no trade, bro. This price action is trash. Mm.
Got a little wedge break to the upside. Here we go.
Bro, those thick prints look insane. I don't think I've ever seen that. Like thick printing so many bars at zero. Like it's crazy. What the hell? I'll stay out of it for anything for the long and the short.
Right into all-time highs right here.
Fucking squeeze.
NQ's there.
NQ and all-time highs? Huh, James?
Yeah. Just had a fucking amazing candle come through. That thing was golly.
La
Order submitted. Order filled.
Uncharted territory.
Order filled.
Mm.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. That's a crazy squeeze. We're in uncharted territory, bro. That is insane.
I'm just glad we're out of the range from earlier. It's finally time to play
That's the
something.
only good thing. We're not on that range anymore. But I don't know. Hard to trade. Sure, I owe 850? Question mark.
Like 90,000 contracts worth of shorts just lost their ass. I would not be looking short right now.
They just got handed their ass.
Hmm?
They just got handed their ass.
Indeed.
Just gonna sit on my hands. You have a long scene. How much higher do you want to go? Damn. 10? Alright. I don't know if 10. You should aim for 100. For 5,100 on Sim. Maybe, what is the 50% retracement? Maybe you can jump in this thing along with the 50% retracement. No, no, not even close. The 50% will be 98. Really depends on the take. If we go back to 98 and take holds, then I'll jump in it. But as of right now, nothing, nothing. I don't even have supply. Like I don't even have anything charted there. Where? Let
Yeah,
the footprint?
probably gonna squeeze upside again.
I, I,
Long NQ here. I'm waiting for it. See if it happens. If not, then probably gonna call it. I mean, we had a nice breakout above all-time highs, but not ready to call it a trend day yet. I mean, the shorts had like 4 chances to bring it down right there, and they failed. And then we squeezed all-time highs. Love to see it.
Little squeeze.
Woo! Woo! Oh yeah.
Oh.
Love that NQ, baby.
Give me that 50%. Give me that 50%.
Unbelievable. T1, T2, GG.
You still have a runner on James?
No, sir. I knocked those off on the NQ, bro. NQ's, I don't know. I couldn't, I'm still trying to wrap my brain around it. Like the NQ, if you try to get a runner on the NQ, you got to have a wide ass trail stop, man. Because it's just like,
Bro, look at the NQ. Wow. That shit's just fucking flying, bro. Gary. No follow through on this one. We have a lot of setting on that candle, like a lot. No movement whatsoever.
I mean, look at Facebook, look at Nvidia, look at Microsoft. Unbelievable. Because everything else is shit. They don't have anywhere else to put their money, bro. So, like NQ just Nasdaq is straight the fuck up, man. It's ridiculous.
Bubble?
I'm, that's how I feel it is, but I'm gonna play it to the upside as long as it wants to stay irrational. Like this seems very bubbly, like
Would you
super
be
fraud.
long-term long? Like, would you buy long-term there?
Mm.
And Nvidia, I don't know, a six, what is it, a 620? How much? Will you short it though? Will you short it though? Okay. Oh, 600, bro. It's about to get to 700. What
Not once, but 3 times.
the? That's insane. Like, my- my- oh, yeah.
There we go. Need to break through this VWAP on the Russell.
Order filled.
Bro, the last, oh my god, 5 minute candles on the NQ, bro. Check it out. I don't know,
Who
man.
wants to short?
I'm
That
in
shit
this.
is
I'm in this bull flag long on the Russell again.
Should I just buy long and just hope for the best?
wild. I mean,
Honestly. 10, 14, 10, 14, 10, 14, 10, 14. Ooh, bro, what is this?
Way back then.
Do you use the orb, Franco? The orb.
Yeah, well, I don't even know what that is.
Opening range breakout?
Oh. No. Franco doesn't
But we
break
didn't
out.
have an opening range breakout. Did we?
Yeah,
We
we
did?
did. What are you talking about?
We all, there's always an opening range breakout.
Yeah, every day,
We did?
unless
I
there's
don't
like
know
a
which
holiday
one
and it
now.
just doesn't move at all. So why I was asking you that is because the 15-minute low, the ES came right to it twice and held it to the tick. Like that 956 candle, if you don't consider the tail, if you're just using the body, that shit held it to the tick. And then it came back again down there at the 1006 and it held it to the tick again. So it was 956, 10 minutes later, 1006, held it to the tick. And then like boop, opening range breakout was through 1013 on that 5,000. And then after that that's it. Like it was fucking gone.
Bro,
But
this fucking rally is ridiculous, bro. This squeeze is ridiculous.
I've got another 2R locked in right now.
sheesh. I mean, the RTY did the exact same thing, but holy shit, like that dump, and it's not even through its orb yet to the highs. Like, god damn, bro, what is that? Like 10 points, 20 points. Look at yo, RTY. I don't know, man. I might have to get the RTY a shot, man. That looks ridiculous.
Wish you would, fucking guy.
1027 entry was spicy, real nice.
I think so. I think so. I need to get another the 3-day pass, whatever.
Game
You know, I have a friend that he was working out for free for 3 months there, and they told him that they told him that like they caught him, but it wasn't his fault because he signed up and they just weren't what? Yeah, they weren't charging him. So like he was there, he was in the system, like he was scanning his code every time he went in, and they just wouldn't like charge him. And then one day they found out, and like I had told them about our offer, like you know that we got like 600 for like 2 years or something. So I told him, bro, like just get that offer or whatever. And then he told me that he talked to the guy. What? Yeah, 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 yeah. Why? What did he ask you? Okay. What the fuck? He just asked you that he's here? He just told you that he's here? Yeah, 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 yeah. And then, because he was asking me what offer we got, and I told him our offer. And then, because they were giving him like a $990, like our offer, the one they gave us, but for 990. Like, you know what? And I told him, bro, don't pay that, and I told him, don't pay that because we got a 600, whatever. Like, they're trying to scam you. So I don't know what happened at the end. I don't know. I don't think he bought. I told him not to buy it, bro, because like, what's the point of paying $1,000 when you know there's an offer that's $600 for 2 years? Nah, I don't know. I mean, that's not his fault. I don't think it's his fault. Like I told him, okay, if it was your fault, okay, then yeah, but bro, they were just not charging you. How is that your fault? It's like I don't know. It's like if you get like like I don't know. I told him, bro, like I wouldn't pay that 990. Yeah, he yeah. Uh, that's what my boy paid. Remember, my boy in the gym. He told me, bro, that's what I paid. Like I paid like 600 for like 2 years. It's ridiculous. It's a no-brainer in general.
I'm out of here, guys.
Later, brother. Think I'm gonna run out of here soon too.
Will do. I'll see you guys on Friday, though. I won't be here tomorrow.
Bet. Catch you
I got
Friday, man.
class.
Take
Later,
it easy.
guys.
No, I think there's no trade today. No trade day for me.
NQ actually looks decent for a short. I mean, the market ebbs and flows though. Like even though it's going up, it's still gonna come down. It's still gonna correct. It's still gonna, you know what I mean? Losing 845, so it'll probably come back to about 830 or so.
You're gonna go early today. Yeah, I was thinking the same. Yeah, it's what I told you, and it's what I've been telling you, and what we've been noticing, because you notice it too. Like you're jumping too aggressive. You're you had the right idea, yes, but you're being too aggressive, and I don't know why you were being too aggressive on the first trade. And the second trade I can get, like, yeah, like you said, you lost the trade, you're a little bit sensitive, you're getting FOMO. Yeah, like your 92 entry also was a little bit aggressive, but on the first trade your entry was too aggressive. It was too aggressive.
Maybe it's not working on the stream.
Yeah, the stream is. Wait 1 second. Hello. Oh, now it's on. Okay. So at 9, yeah, I was jumping too early here. But then
But
later
what do you? I'm sorry, but what do you have in the 95 or the 92
Okay,
that
so
made you so convinced? Like I wouldn't have, like,
can you see my
even
screen?
if we go right now, I wouldn't have taken it. Like, I would never take that. Like, because I don't have anything there.
Where at?
That's why I wasn't thinking long at the moment. In the
Where?
90 or 88. Like, if I
No, I
was gonna
did.
take something,
I did. No, I did. Look, it created the zone at 9:45. Look at the
945.
yeah, look at the footprint. 9:45. Actually, 9:47. Look at this from 9:45 to 9:47, bro. You have aggressive selling at 9:46 and no follow through. The very next candle, it goes above, right? So when it goes down to the COT on the bearish candle, which is 90.25, I had the order to go long. And from there, it takes off to 96.50. 49.96.50, right? And then it comes back and is there when I get in at 92, right? Thinking that this formation is gonna hold, which it didn't, but my stop was like 1 point or 2 points below the RTH low. And then we had then we had the response again by buyers. And then when it doesn't go above 96 is where I say, all right, I'm gonna short my risk to 90, and my stop was the fucking low was my stop. The low was my stop. If I would have it 2 ticks below, I think it's just mistakes that I'm making, because I don't want to lose. It's just part of my mental state right now. But the long was a no-brainer. Also, we do have. I can justify my first trade if you want to. My first trade was My first trade was
But
yeah.
I
What?
don't know. I mean, you don't have to justify it to me. Like you don't like como que like you don't owe me anything. That's what you don't have to like be like trying to
No,
convince me.
no, no,
It's
no.
it's
I'm just
it's
trying to say that I might have been too early here. I might have been too early, but the idea was right. The idea was not wrong. Now, was I rushing on the first trade too much? Yeah, probably I was.
that's one thing I noticed in the past like 2 weeks trading
Yeah, of course.
is that you're rushing a little bit into the trades. Like that's my point of view. I don't know.
No,
I'm
you
not
are
trying to like
you are completely right, and I'm trying to. I start logging my trades again, and
yes, thank you.
and
That's
and
when
I,
you notice when you're like when you're like not at the heat of the moment in the trading or when you see it in hindsight and you start noticing your mistakes. You start noticing your mistakes or what
yeah,
you could or what you do wrong. That's why I think that's why I think a journaling at the end of the day, like let's say once you're done like at 12 or I try to journal at 12 or like at 3. That's when I'm like calm down and I have the adrenaline
no.
from the trading it goes away and you get to see it more clearly.
Actually, I like journaling the next day in the morning. I think that's
Oh
the
yeah,
best
I mean,
time.
and that is true. I mean,
I
I love
think
watching Aways in the morning. I watch Aways today in the morning,
yeah.
so I
Uh,
go fresh.
yeah, and I like actually log my trades in the morning because I get fresh information, right?
Yeah, 100%. But a good thing
But
that you started logging your trades again. That's fundamental. That's the number one. I
yeah,
think
oh no,
that's the number one after hours like thing. Is that
yeah, logging my trades
correlated?
and
What correlates to your mistakes? You know, what's the number one mistake you have in common? Give you that. I think that's super important. And I don't know.
obviously my lack of patience is tied up to my performance lately.
Yeah, like you said before, you're pretty sensitive at the moment.
Yeah,
And like a loss, or I don't know, it affects you
I don't
double
I
probably because of what you're going through.
yeah, I don't want to lose money. That's the thing. I don't feel like I'm
Yeah, no, yeah, 100%. But you like obviously like I told you before, like I don't understand and I cannot like bear to put myself in your shoes because I haven't gone through the same ever.
hmm
But like I told you before, like these are the moments when you have to be like more
Yeah,
conscious.
you say it, but if you don't go through,
No, yeah,
you cannot
100%.
tell. Yeah.
No,
It's not
like I
as
told
easy
you.
as it looks. And it could be easier, but the circumstances are not.
Yeah,
Like it could be a lot easier, but you know, um,
yeah,
we
like
don't
I told
have
you, like
a we don't
I don't
have
have an opinion.
agreement and stuff. Yeah, we don't have the same agreement. We don't have the same opinion. So we're going through legal battles and stuff, and that's not good. That's not bueno for anybody, right?
No,
So
like I told you, like I don't have an opinion in that sense because I don't. First of all, like I'm not like your lawyer.
yeah,
I'm not anything like that to
yeah,
you, like that. So I don't really have an opinion. I'm just like saying like try to be more conscious of your mistakes during this period because that's gonna be. I think this is a period where you're gonna build the. I was thinking about that yesterday when we used to say the unconsciously competent or whatever.
yeah,
I think if you try to build it while you're going through this, if you try to work on it while you're going through this, then I think once you get over this period, you're gonna find that unconsciously competency that we were talking about.
Yeah.
And maybe you don't, we don't find that through trading, but maybe you find it through like something outside of trading, which could reflect on your trading, obviously.
Mm-hmm. I think anything around your life will be reflecting on trading unless you become unconsciously competent in trading, and then you cannot get affected by it, by the situation, because this is a work that is highly personal and mental. I think anything that happens in your life could affect your performance
No, 100%.
until you become a real pro, when you are able to separate wherever you're going through and the analysis that you're doing. Yeah, that's
Oh
where I
no,
think.
100%.
But that's only
That's why I think
that only comes with experience. There's nothing I can do but just getting more experience, right? Time passes, I do things right, and become more experienced. I don't know, yesterday, I don't know if you saw yesterday, but yesterday was very, very difficult to trade. Like, we stayed in a range since the open till the close. We never broke the range. And first thing we did today in the morning, we broke to the upside. Actually, it was last night. Yeah, 8:30. But yesterday we did have bullish alignment on the internals, not on the market, but the internals were bullish.
That's why I took my long.
Yeah, and you took the best trade that anybody could take, and you took it.
I feel like I could have done better, but I got the entry. I mean, because I mean, like he says, I had the best like first test entry. You know how he says, like, oh, like you should like take it, like you cannot
Yeah.
like you should like take it first time per come. I had the best one, and obviously there was a better entry after. But what fucked me up yesterday was, bro, the range, the price action.
Yeah, but
I just
that is actually your how do we call it? Your psychology. That's your mentality.
yeah, 100%.
Because the
And
market does
it
not
was
know.
hard because
Yeah.
it was hard because once you're, bro, I was at one point, yeah, I scaled out a contract. So I think 7.5 points. Then at one point I was on my second contract. I think it was up like 11.5 points. And then that's why, like, you're like, all right, you're up this amount, and you're gonna let it all go down to break even, like all of this, just for a break even. And then I think it was doing good to a certain point, and then it's just like, yeah, like I didn't even close it. I just moved my stop to like a higher price, and then it stopped me out.
Same thing I did today. Same thing I did
Yeah,
today.
we made the same mistake today.
Same mistake. Yeah. Well. I bet Waze is taking this supply
He
somewhere.
doesn't have anything there.
No, he does. Yeah.
He does.
Yeah,
I
he
don't know why
does.
he has it.
Let me check. I think it's from I think it's from 05 to 32 or something.
No, he has from 5,000 to 5,010, and then he has
No.
from 5019 to 5024. So literally, this is the middle of his like zones. Like there's no man's zones. Like if you follow like what he says, like he should be today. He should say as of right now. He should be saying no trading day. He like he should say like no training day. Like
Do you want to bet what he's gonna say on the recap?
yeah, he's probably gonna say the 24-hour with 24-hour VWAP or something like that.
No,
Like,
he
but
doesn't. He doesn't execute there. Like he's gonna name my trade, bro. He's gonna talk about my trade because that's the only
no, he
trade
is
that we had.
100%.
Yeah.
The thing is, like why would he have taken that trade? Is he gonna say, yeah, I took that trade? I don't know.
Bro,
Because if you follow his,
we don't have resistance up to 5,000, and we are at 49.88. I think it was a very legit trade.
no, 100%, and it worked. You know, worked.
It
But
doesn't
I
matter
don't
if
see
it
why-
worked. It doesn't matter if it worked, but what I'm saying, like, I think it was a legit trade. You even have some support on the overnight around that area. Look at this. He doesn't. And he didn't. Did he have this support here? 80 to
Yeah, like,
83.
his
So
support.
he didn't have that. He didn't have it. But I figured this. I figure he didn't have this support because he comes out with a trading plan at 9, right? So the movement, the aggressive movement to the upside happened actually after like 9:05. You see the candle closing at 9:05?
905.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me one
Yeah.
second. I need to take this call. Yeah. Yeah, like if you figure here, you do have something overnight, like here. I would say like this.
No sé, pero si el carajo dice, oh, I took it at pre-market resistance, I took a long on pre-market resistance, marico,
No.
entonces estás invalidando él invalida lo que él dice. O no, personalmente.
¿En
Y yo, desde
what
que-
sense? No entiendo.
Como que, marico, porque él agarraría un long en pre-market. Está en sus zonas, ¿no? Está en sus zonas.
Yeah, aggressive
Anotando
support. Aggressive support is 49.80 to 83.
Ajá, I would
That's-
ok, ahí sí te puedo decir,
that's-
yo lo agarraría ahí.
That's what I had
Pero-
down here.
Exacto,
That's-
y yo también yo estaba esperando que llegara ahí para poder agarrar algo. Pero si él dice, oh, I would have taken along a pre-market resistance, which is of 92.75. Like. Entonces, you're invalidating what you're trying to say, you know, o sea, ¿me entiendes? Como que, ¿por qué tú agarrarías un long en... O sea, yo sé que tú lo agarraste, pero ¿por qué a Waze? ¿Por qué él agarraría un long en un resistance? Eso es lo que eso es lo que me refiero.
No, I know a
Y él
resistance.
vende... Bueno, pero él tiene un pre-market resistance ahí en 99275. ¿Ves?
Pre-market resistance 9275 to 97. Yeah, I think it was used up, honestly. But yeah, probably he done. I didn't
Por eso
have.
te digo,
I do have from. Look at mine. I have 92 to 97. That's not his. That's mine.
92 to 97.
Yes,
Yeah, I have from...
but that's not pre-market resistance. That's from like fucking.
Yeah, that's from previous. Yeah, I have the same resistance as you. Yo no tengo la misma resistencia que tú.
That's from 2 days ago, right?
I have the same one. Like what I do is like I like to compare zones. Me gusta comparar. Like I do my own like zones at the be like before he like posts a video, and then when he posts the video, I compare. Como que digo, better. Like I try to see what he found and what he didn't. Because obviamente, Mario, yo no quiero pagar esa vaina todo, like, my whole life, ¿me entiendes? Yo quiero llegar a un punto que yo agarro mis zonas yo. So that's
Yeah, I
what
don't.
I'm trying to do lately, just like get my own zones. And I feel like I've been doing pretty good. Yesterday my zones worked pretty well. I mean, I don't think there's like a bread and butter for zones. Like sometimes they're gonna work, sometimes they're not.
Yeah,
But you obviously you want
I'm
them to.
very comfortable with the ones that I choose.
Claro, like
Um,
exactly. It's however you like, however you feel comfortable.
yeah, I'm very
Today
comfortable.
my zones didn't play out. I had a aggressive support like from 82 to 84. It didn't play out. I had a thrust day. If internals were aligned, I would have taken it maybe, but that was it. Like that was the only long I would have taken today. Honestly, based on of my plans and on my zones. Because one thing I switched and what completely changed my trading and what helped me get funded in like 4 days or whatever when everything changed was that just sticking to my zones and just playing them out. Honestly, yeah, your trade was amazing. The what you were looking for was amazing and it worked out completely. But I I wouldn't have taken it por eso porque
Yeah, but
no tenía nada ahí que
but
me ayudara en probabilidades.
it created a zone. For me, it created it. He created it at 940 something. That was the one that I told you here. Like 946. He created this area. The complete reversal. The complete reversal. And then he held. Yeah, it went below. It dipped below actually 88 to 50, like 2 ticks below.
Yo creo que la entrada perfecta fue esa la que it tapped your entry like 3 times. La
Yeah,
90-25.
90.25. That was the entry. That was actually the entry. Was
Pero
92 was a little bit too aggressive. And
no,
probably.
y 92 wasn't even, o sea, como que no estuvo mal. Solo que you moved the stop just because you were like
I
un
didn't want
poquito
to
afectado
lose
por el
it.
primer trade.
Yeah.
Como que yo, like, sí te puedo decir como que 100%, el 95 sí fue un poquito muy agresivo. O sea, bueno, no un poquito, muy agresivo.
It
92,
was.
marico, no. Like
It,
92, like you're never gonna get a perfect no risk, no heat trade, or it's very unlikely that one can get that, you know. Pero
yeah, what
pero sí, 95 sí. 92 no.
95 was a little bit too aggressive. But 92 was aggressive but not as aggressive, but 90 was the one. But I was not patient. That's why
Y
patience
creo
is
que
so important.
perdón, pero creo que 92 era como que mejor porque también tenías como que podías arriesgar los pivotes, ¿me entiendes? Esos pivotes de abajo, que es lo que estabas haciendo.
Yeah,
Pero 95, que podías arriesgar, weón, hasta 89.
that's
6
that's what
puntos
I
de...
that's what I did. No, I risked from here to here, like from here to here to 92.
No, ¿verdad? Y eso es bueno que uno lo puede hablar después, man. A mí me gusta hablar así,
Yeah,
que
look,
de verdad que, like,
I got stopped out here
¿cómo?
at 92. I got stopped out here at 92.
Claro.
See that?
No, ya no. O sea,
Here,
um,
and then I got in here. I should have gotten in here 90.25. This is actually the tick chart on the micro, and look, it tapped 90.25 1 2 like 2 times at least here. See that? And then I got in here. I felt like, oh, this shit could continue down, but look at this shit, bro. It held perfectly. And here, fuck me this trade. I took the SIM, and the fucking SIM was linked to my account, and I closed it right away.
El SIM está linkeado con tu cuenta.
Yeah.
Y eso fue lo que te pasó con
Con los penny
hace 2
trades.
días.
Yeah,
Sí.
marico, qué buena rechera, marico. No, estaba multiplied by 4 or by 3 or something.
Yeah. Pero no
Yeah.
era mini, ¿no?
No, no mini, porque el replicante siempre está en. El replicante siempre
NMS.
está en micro,
Micro.
sí. Sí.
Claro.
By the way, I need to put penny trade for my brother.
Yo también. Tengo que poner un penny para mi cuenta.
Cuando.
A ver. PA. No, me gusta, de verdad que me gusta hablar y escuchar tu punto de vista, like debate, like get a different like perspective.
Hmm.
O sea, yo sé que ahorita como que estás like como que un poquito sensible en ese aspecto, por eso tampoco me gusta decirte nada cuando estás en un trade, porque marico tampoco a uno no le gusta que le digan nada cuando uno
Mhm.
está en un trade,
Mhm.
pero sí, marico, o sea,
Order filled.
¿Qué?
siento que si you build that unconsciously competency en este punto de tu vida que por lo que estás pasando, marico, creo que, marico, vas a ser literalmente como que literalmente una máquina, literalmente un robot cuando ya pases por esto y vayas a hacer lo que estás haciendo,
I know.
literalmente,
I know, but
literalmente.
it's a process slowly. I'm trying to in the mornings, trying to calm down, meditate, pray a little bit to try to gain a little bit of conscious, and it's not automatic. It is like day by day, step by step, right? And obviously trying to forgive myself for whatever I do because it's futile to make mistakes and then like having in your head for long and not forgive yourself for whatever you do. So I'm just uh in this regard I'm trying to be more flexible with myself.
No,
Okay.
no, claro.
And yeah, put the work into it. Yes, I need to work harder. Like I yesterday did my recap, like the one that always does, like interpreting the market and see what happened, what I should have done, what I could have done.
You
And
did your own recap. That's good.
yeah, like in my shit, in my OneNote, like trying to put whatever the market did and interpret, and that's what I'm gonna do again today, and try to become better. I mean, get my momentum back because I feel like I lost a lot of the work that I did.
Bueno, es entendible como que te estás mudando, like you're going through a different kind of process right now, like on uncharted territory. You've never been like in this situation before,
Absolutely, that's completely new for me. So, yeah, it is what it is, bro. It's just putting the work, the necessary work, and just that's it. Work, 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 and then at some point, it's gonna pay off.
And I know, I'm 100% sure that it will pay off.
Yeah, I really hope
100%
so.
sure.
I really hope so.
I'm 100% sure that we do have to build that unconscious competency. I think
Yeah.
that's a must. And right now for you, like it's not. I know it's like you're going through rough times, but I think this is a perfect time to be able to build that in a better way.
the resilience that I need, right?
Yeah, and it's not, you don't build resilience. Honestly, like you don't build resilience by, I don't know, running 30 miles or fucking being on the cold plunge for 10 minutes or being in the sauna for 50 minutes. Or I think you build resilience with emotions. Honestly, you don't
I
build
mean,
it just by being on a fucking cold plunge for 10 minutes. Yes, you build mental strength, but I think it doesn't play with the emotions, and I think emotions are what drives humans, what makes us do what we do every day, and you don't you don't get emotions. Well, like I think there's a perfect moment to build resilience.
I know
Honestly, I
100%.
I don't wish I will go through it. Like I don't obviously don't want to go through it, but you should like be stronger in this
There's
point.
this
You know.
guy. There's this guy. TD Jakes. TD Jakes. No, TD Jake with no S at the end. And he talks about how you handle the breaking points. I've had my ups and downs, but I think overall, um, I haven't been defeated, if you will, right? Like I feel like yes, I've lost some progress that I had, and probably some of my projects have to be delayed sometime, but it's God's timing, it's not my timing. So I'm back into the basics, doing the work, logging the trades, accept when I make a
Mm-hmm.
mistake,
Mm-hmm.
and
Maybe
keep doing
size
what I was doing.
down. Maybe size down for the
Size,
moment. I
yes, size down
get
a
back to
little
your
bit.
zone.
Yeah.
Get back to your zone, bro. Because before in New Year's, before New Year's, we're locked in. We're doing pretty good.
No,
Like
very good, very good. No,
we were doing really good.
actually, last month I wasn't doing so bad until I moved in here. Like I wasn't doing bad. Um, I decided that I wanted to do sim because I was in that process of moving out, etc. But yeah, that might be wise. Just stay calm for a week or something.
One thing I like to do when I was struggling a lot is just going over the trades and what I told you, like finding commonalities. Like, I mean, one commonality that we can just see right away is the aggressiveness. Like I think you can see it too. Uh, uh, like in the first trade, that's what I meant. But um, just seeing what we do wrong, what the common denominator is in our trading, can help us like start getting the momentum that we had, or even looking back at the month that, like December, that it was a pretty good month.
Mm-hmm.
Like we can go back and look what we're doing right and how we can replicate it and put it into this month. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like everything's a cycle. Yeah, we're not always gonna be like performing at our best, but trying to like when we're not, like try to like overcome it as as quickly as possible is key.
It is 8 a.m.
So
Central
he
Time on
tweeted
Wednesday.
this.
Let's jump into our trade planning exercise today using trader resistance. Then that will certainly
So
increase
he
the
had
odds
shorts,
of a
bro.
reaction test. So
He
there
had
could be an
shorts.
opportunity here if the market doesn't provide any pullback
5,000
and
and
continues heading higher
5,006.
into initial resistance. So we'll leave this
Yeah,
setup on the table
never
just in
got
case
there.
the market does get
But now.
exhausted into that zone. But our primary focus is going to be on buying pullbacks and looking for a result, and at least short-term is going to be on initial support result and a move back down, just in case the market doesn't. Or
Let me see if I can watch that here, B, because I think it's worth watching it.
Central Time on Wednesday, February 7th.
Okay,
Let's
he
jump
says a
into
short
trade
40,
planning exercise for today.
49,
I don't know.
5,005,
Now,
and his
so
stop would have
far
been
in the
11,
overnight
so he would have
session,
gotten
we've
stopped
seen a
out.
breakout above Tuesday's high, which
He
is
would have
already
gone
a
stopped out?
bullish indication.
Yeah,
And all of this
he
is
said it.
happening
I
in an
was looking at
already
it, and he
bullish
had an entry of
environment. So as
45,
long as buyers can
5,
hold ES
5,007,
above the 49,
and his stop
69
was a
half to 77 half
5,011.
initial
So
support, they can
he would have
maintain
gotten stopped
control
out.
on the
In
day
1
time
second.
frame, and from there ES can head higher into the 49, 92.75 to 97.75 pre-market resistance, and the 49, 99 half to 5,010 half initial resistance zone, which is a larger time frame and stronger area of resistance and a bias confirming zone, so sellers can still be active there on first test. Now, if the Nasdaq puts in a successful breakout to a fresh all-time high, then that would certainly increase the odds of the S&P breaking above 5,010 half and heading higher towards its all-time high at
Oh, so
5,028
he didn't
half
take that
to
trade.
32 half. So if ES can take out that initial resistance zone, then it would open the door for a test of the all-time high area. So the reward potential on the long side is quite healthy today, as long as buyers can
Yeah.
hold ES above initial support. So let's start with the long idea. Now, in today's case, I think it makes sense to risk 2R and get a more aggressive entry off of the initial support zone. So we can see that on the upside, right now the high probability is set to 92.75. Let's change that to 97.25. And then the final target should be at least into the initial resistance zone. So we're going to go ahead and move this higher into at least 5,000.
Look how Vulcan works,
and that
bro.
would allow us to buy 49.79 half with our stop
This is
at 68
Awais,
half, which is below the
is our
overbought low and
mentor.
below
He
the
has
initial
this
support.
website
And
called
as long as market hits
E-Mini Player.
the 97.25 and 5,004, we can get 3-to-1 reward to risk. Now, if the market only hits the 97 area, we can still get around 2.6, 2.7 R, which is still a fairly healthy risk reward. On the upside, we can still get a reaction at 49.99 half to 5,010 half. Now, because we are trading in an overall bullish environment and the buy side is in control,
Yeah, he
on the
didn't
day
take
time
anything,
frame,
bro.
the safer bet is to
What?
assume that
I don't think he took any trade.
Yeah,
Was
that's why that's what I was telling you before. If he did follow his zones
we're
and he
only
follows
going
the methodology that he sells, then today should have been a no trading day for him.
Yeah, but my
that's what I was-
question is, if something is created on the trading day, that you don't take that.
I don't know. I never tried that. I never been like I never I don't think I ever done that. I don't think I ever done that. Created a zone
Let's wait for the recap to see.
in the trading session.
to get a reaction or a response on first test and not an all-out failure. So in this case, the
Because
high
what moves the
probability
market,
target
what
can
moves
be
the
somewhere
is the
near
bigger time frame
the
zones.
overnight
You know,
high
like
area, so we'll set that to 95
that's what I think.
and just to be safe,
That's
we're
the
going to
reasoning
take the
behind
entire
it.
position
Because
off
Yeah,
somewhere
yeah, but
around
either way, 83 is not a bigger time frame zone. Like, it's just something that was created yesterday.
yeah, in the pre-market, but we had a more aggressive move. You know, we had a more aggressive move to the upside, which took us to the 98. Also the bullish time frame alignment, which is why you took your trade, obviously. Like that's a big part, you know. But everyone's different. You know, everyone's different. I feel more comfortable taking zones that seem to work most have a higher probability of working. And like I take in zones that like I take them and then they just don't work because that's how it is. Like no zone is the holy grail, or it's gonna just give you your perfect entry.
Yeah.
But that's how I see it. Yeah, you're right. It did build the zone in the trading session, but we were also in a supply, bro. We had a divergence on the ADD. Like I don't know. I just wouldn't have taken it. Like and you took it and the you had the right idea. Like you were right in that sense. That's why. Well, I don't think it's about being right or wrong. It's about following that plan consistently.
Yes, no, that's what I tell you. That's what I tell you. It doesn't matter that I won or lost a trade or the trade worked or
Or you had the right idea or not. It's just
No,
following it consistently.
but I do
Yeah.
think I do think having contextual alignment to the upside and then um the other markets are following. Now, the RTY didn't, but look at Nasdaq, bro. It was holding there, like aggressively up. Like after we gapped up, we never we never came close to closing the gap. It was freaking from 70 to 90 on the ES.
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Mira, weón, vamos al UFC, pues.
Te hago el pase.
No.
Y si vienes
No,
para eso
marico.
y no quieres ni... ¿Qué vas a hacer hoy,
No.
tío? ¿Qué vas a entrenar?
Pet.
Pala.
Petto.
A ver, ¿qué hiciste?
Pero yesterday, shoulders.
Monday, what do you do Monday? Oh, yesterday was Monday. What day is today? Wednesday?
Yeah, I did Sunday I did legs. On Monday I did back. Yes, on Tuesday I did shoulders. I'm gonna do chest today. Bro, just make the call and you wanna do a free trial again?
No, what? Use a phone number. I encontré un phone number generator.
Exacto. Ponte en Google Phone y just get a phone generator.
Sí, pero marico, no sé, prefiero hacerlo. I'd rather do it next week cuando como que pasó un poquito más de tiempo desde que lo hice.
Why don't you just fucking call whoever you have to call so you pay the $600, bro? Yeah.
Can I still get that offer?
I'll make you get that offer. Yeah, I'll make you get that offer. Yeah.
Okay, if I can get that offer again.
I mean, I'll text my boy. Like, I'll tell him, look, it's my cousin. We came here together. He was busy at school. Can you give him the same deal?
Sí,
I don't
no
think
le preguntes al Vincent. No le preguntes al Vincent ese que.
¿Qué Vincent?
El que le está dando la vaina a Arnaldo.
Marico, ¿por qué le dijiste a Arnaldo mi oferta? Ahorita capaz que no nos dan una mierda.
Marico, no creo que te hayan quitado la oferta, tú ya pagaste. No creo que te hayan decir, marico, si tienes que pagar.
A mí
por
no,
eso.
pero a ti.
Marico, porque I was trying to help my boy, marico, ¿me entiendes? Coño, no quiero que lo atraquen, ¿me entiendes?
Yeah, I know.
Entonces, marico, como que like I look out for the people. Marico, no quiero que I don't want him to get scammed. ¿Me entiendes, coño?
It's
marico?
not. I don't think it's a scam. Probably I don't know why he gave me that. I told him, look, let's not lose time here. Do whatever you have to do to get me the best price. So you don't lose time, I don't lose time. I'll pay you, and that's it, and we move on.
Claro, he gave you like an incredible deal.
Yeah, I was a no-brainer, bro. I didn't think about it. Like I was
no,
right away. Right away, I told him
it's a
yes.
no-brainer. And I told my boy, and I told another bro, like, bro, like that's a fire deal. Like you shouldn't pass on it. And he told
I
me
know.
no, they offered me $900 for 2 years. And they were like, "Oh, I'm gonna spice it up, and for $10 more, for $1,000 you get the Cairo, whatever the la mierda esa del
Not the relaxing
Just-
area.
yeah the freezing shit, whatever, the machine."
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it, honestly.
Entonces, no, like the initial offer was $990 for the 2 years, whatever, and then he told them, okay, but if you pay $10 more, so instead of $990, it's $1,000, you get the Cairo Prax. I don't know. I don't know.
No,
what's
it's like the
name of that.
recovery zone. The recovery
Yeah,
zone.
that. So
Yeah, I don't think it's worth. I mean, he never opened that option for me, actually. He
I mean,
Oh.
because I think your deal was too amazing to also giving that.
Yeah.
I think you got like the best deal possible for a gym, and that gym looks amazing. I really like
no,
that
it
gym.
is. It is good. Bueno, I'm gonna
Like, I
leave you
really like
because
that
I'm gonna go work out. Okay.
Dale, pues.
I'll
Entonces
talk to you
mañana
later.
otra vez.
Yes.
Dale, marico.
Later.
¿Cerraste el live ya?
No, no. I'm gonna do it
¿No
now.
has cerrado el live?
No.
Dale,
All
pues.
right, guys. I'm gonna
Bueno,
take
ya.
off. Yeah, I'm gonna take off. See you guys
Dale, pues.
tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye. I'll be back at it tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. Later.